Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making Chili's Copycat Southwestern egg rolls. First I'm going to be sauteing my red bell pepper and chicken in some olive oil. Make sure you season your chicken. I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin. I am also adding a little bit of salt in there as well. This is optional, but I threw in some minced garlic. Now you just want to let your chicken cook completely before adding your vegetables. I'm adding corn, black beans, spinach, and diced jalapeños. Now that you have everything all mixed up, you can add more of your cumin, garlic, onion, salt, and also chili powder and also chili seasoning. Now I'm just going in with some Colby Jack cheese. You can also use Monterrey Jack. Once the cheese melts, you can turn off your heat and prep your tortillas in the microwave for a couple of seconds. Doing this will make it easier when rolling your egg rolls. Now I'm going to be taking a tablespoon and a half of my filling, and I'm going to roll it up in my tortilla. And I don't know how to roll egg rolls, so this is the best I can do. So just try your best if you don't know how to roll egg rolls. Now I'm just gonna trim off the excess so it can look a little neater. I am doing these in an air fryer, so I'm just gonna take some olive oil and be generous with it so it won't burn. I popped them in my air fryer at 400 degrees for about 15-20 minutes, and this is how it came out. I know they're not the best looking egg rolls in the world, but I promise they are good, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.